I'm, I'm not even going to intro my video. I'm just going to play this because this... Oh, I'm sorry. This is Adobe's photo to video AI generator. I'm sorry, I can't stop laughing. That's so horrible. It's so horrible. Oh. All right, I think that's stop. I gotta stop. Hi, this is Dave. Welcome to Old Dad Studio. I decided today that I would start learning more about AI to video and what's out there and play with some of the tools because that's one of the videos that seems to be very popular on my channel right now. It's got the most views. It seems to be popping off. So I thought let's continue. Let's ride that wave, right? So I'm gonna do some more with AI video. And I've been doing some research to find out which ones are out there, and I used ChatGPT and I watched some YouTube videos and did a little bit of research, and so I'm going to start going through them and trying different ones, and I will share the results here. The first one that I tried today is called FireFly. It's Adobe's introduction, and it's in beta, so I want to put that out there. This is a beta product. But anybody who has an Adobe account, you get 2 free uses of it. After that, you have to pay. Now, I'm not going to pay for this tool. It is, even for beta, just for fun and laughs, it isn't worth to pay for. So I am not going to pay for it. But I did use the 2 free videos, and I made 2 different videos. Now, that first one you've already seen. So let me give you a little bit of context. But I'm going to start laughing again. Hang on. All right, I've got it back together now. The first one was a picture of my wife and I standing in front of the Eiffel Tower having a little smooch. And what I asked the AI generative tool to do, aside from uploading the picture, the prompt I gave it was to have the man and the woman in the photo complete their smooch, turn towards the camera, and wave. That was my command. Now, I have no idea what it was doing with... there's so many things wrong with this. It's just hilarious. If you just watch the faces alone and how they morph and what evil goblin my wife turns into at the end. Oh, wait, I need to have her come over and take a look at this. We're going to turn this on. All right. So let's...
Okay, so I'm watching this, I guess, is what I'm doing while I'm cutting up Valentine's stuff.
Oh, that's right. Tomorrow's... Happy Valentine's Day, because this is on the 13th, so if you're watching this, it's Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day.
Yes, we're making Valentine's, and we're decorating a little box for him, and yes. Okay.
All right. So... Sorry.
I feel like you're setting this up for me to laugh because it's so bad.
It turned out perfectly. Watch this.
Okay.
Your face doesn't look like right. Your faces don't look right. Your nose is way too big.
What do you mean? That's exactly what we look like. They made us both like way skinnier too.
I know.
Did you know
I noticed that. Yes, both of us lost weight. I gained a purse, if you see in there.
Hey, look what they did to my boots.
Your boots.
Those are cute boots. What did I do to them?
I don't know. All right, let's dissect this video a little bit. This is the last frame in the video series, and you can just see I'm not sure what's happening with her face here. she kind of looks a female Shrek. I'm not sure. But let me play it again from the start. There we are. So I end up with a purse along with her purse, so it can't distinguish that we both have that. I actually lost weight in the translation there, which was just kind of, that's fantastic. I think I actually grew a little bit too. I'm a little bit taller than my wife. I don't look anything like, although it was the side of my face, so, but the face just morphs. As the more it moves, the more the face morphs. And what's up with one red glove on my hand, or whatever's happening there? And what's happening with her hand back here? It looks like it was filleted, and this hand here, and her boots changed, and my wife's face. Oh my gosh, let me play this again. Uh, and, and there's like somebody scooting behind her back there too. Watch this little doo 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 doo. All right, now the second video that I generated was me eating a sandwich. It didn't do as bad with that one. Oh, let's just take a look. All right, here I am eating a sandwich. So that one wasn't as bad. Now the prompt that I gave this one was, I would like the man eating the sandwich to complete the bite and give a thumbs up because the sandwich tastes so good. Now, it got that, so overall it understood what I was trying to do, but the devil is in the details with this one. So my face, as it changes from one position to the other, it kind of morphs. I got a big bulgy cheek over here, and it kind of sinks in over here. It changes the structure of my face a little bit. It looks like the colors on the rainbow glasses that I was wearing changed colors there. My eye colors changed. Did my hair color change as well? Did it get more? No, I guess it is pretty gray in that picture. It's just, so it did a better job with this one. All right, now there you have it for Adobe's FireFly, or examples of Adobe's FireFly. Like I said, if you have an Adobe account, you can go out and you can try 2 videos for free. I would encourage, I mean, just for fun, I would encourage you to go out and do it if you can, and just see what it does for you for your images. It is beta. It is not ready for prime time at all. I'm actually surprised that Adobe would release something that produces results like that. The other videos that I watched on it before actually giving it a try today, they all had very similar results. So I wasn't expecting anything fantastic for mine. And it certainly was entertaining, if nothing else.
All right, the next AI video generator we're going to take a look at is called Hedra. I think I'm saying that right. And with this one, I've uploaded a image of myself as well as a video file. And here's what we get.
Hi, this is Dave, and welcome to Old Dad's Studio. Hi, this is Dave, and welcome to Old Dad's Studio.
Now, overall, that one wasn't too bad. It had some difficulty with my mouth, but I think part of that was because I had such a big mouth open smile at the beginning, so it was starting from a position where the mouth is open, not closed, and so, I don't know. The quality on this one was really low as well. Maybe it gets better if you subscribe rather than just use the free version. I didn't dive into that one as deep today. But those are the 2 that I played around with today. I'm going to keep playing around with some more. I'm excited to see what happens with ChatGPT's or OpenAI's video generation tool. It's called Sora. It was out for a while on Hugging Face, which is like a marketplace for people who have created AI tools. So it was there for just a short time, and then it was taken down. It was really bootlegged, I think, by some internal developers or something at OpenAI. I don't know the whole story there, but I know they have the tool, and when it is released, I hope they set the standard or the bar for video generation using AI tools. All right, and that's going to do it for me for today at Old Dad Studio. Again, thank you very much for following along on this journey. I really appreciate everybody. I love everyone who's giving me comments and participating and liking and subscribing, and it's fantastic. So thank you very much. I look forward to making more of these videos, and I will see you tomorrow.